Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row. It's Saturday and it's time for another how-to film, and today we're going to be looking at how to sow chilies. And you start chilies early, preferably any time during February, latest early March, because they need a long time to germinate and they take a long time to grow. So as you can see, the chili seed, it's very much like the seed you get inside a pepper. Same family, that's why. So there's no need to kind of be a maniac with them and sprinkle them all on to the compost. You can box a little clever and have these seeds for about 2 years. And to do that, all you need is a pen. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I'm going to take my pen, very much like the Dahlia film we saw a week ago, and I'm going to make a little indentation in the soil, in the compost. This is just a peat-free, multi-purpose soil. As you can see, I don't sieve it. My plants have to survive in harsh conditions. So there you can see, I'm just popping them in one at a time. And that will give me 8 plants, or at least, if it was really bad germination, 1 plant. But this is going onto a heated propagator, so it should give us quite a few plants. And as you can see, I've got quite a lot of seeds left for another year. So if these seeds fail, I've got backup seeds and I'm not wasting seeds, and it's really important. Take a look at our seed sovereignty film about why we shouldn't be wasting seed. So there's my seed, and all I'm going to do now is just knock the soil back over them, like so. Make sure they're down. You don't need to go down very deep, chili seeds. I'm trying to make a break for it there. Because seed should only really be planted 2.5 times its own depth, its own size really. So it's tiny seed, tiny depth, so forth and so on. So I'm going to label these now, and I'm going to pop them onto a heated propagator. So there you go, chili seeds done. I'm going to plant probably a few trays of them. I just realised I've scratched there. Don't worry, so that when you plant, you actually have chilies that you can't do that. Chili seeds are quite, but I've never got burnt off them. It tends to be the pith on chili that burns. But anyway, we're getting ahead of ourselves. So that's going onto a heated propagator. If you haven't got a heat mat or a heated propagator, windowsill, somewhere warm, they're going to germinate. They do take a long time to germinate. I've had chili seeds that's taken a month to 6 weeks to start growing on really bad years. So have a little patience and they will come. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew from Life on Pig Row, and I'll see you next Saturday. And until then, don't forget, like, subscribe for updates, and until next time, bye bye.